Hvor er vi henne, Troels?
Vi er på Gamle Hav. Det er helt vildt det her. Helt skørt.
Og hvor skal vi hen?
Vi skal op på de øverste tribuner, så vi kan se alt.
Se, var det nummer 72, vi skulle ind i?
Det sagde du i hvert fald. Det går ud fra rigtigt.
Og det er her. Og nu er vi kommet igennem andet check-in.
Yes.
Og vi er på vej.
Walking.
Og vi er på vej op til vores plads helt oppe i toppen.
Stairways to heaven. Thank you.
Har vi fundet vores pladser?
Ja.
Og hvad sker der nu, Troels?
Nu kommer der nogle spillere ind på banen, som... Det går ikke Getafe i virkeligheden, det der. Det lyder sådan. Publikum er ikke videre opstemt over det i hvert fald.
Så er vi i gang.
Så har vi her bolden.
Jeg har lige spillet op.
Vi spiller den til Cuencas. Især Cuencas spiller til Fiol. Xavi. Busquets. Xavi. Spiller den formodentlig over til Pedro. Nej, Pedro gør det ikke.
Vi har tabt på skærmen, man kan ikke se det.
Nej, det er faktisk rigtigt.
Og der er kommet lidt flere mennesker siden sidst.
Ja. Så er der en op med, sidst kommer en op med,
Så er kampen slut, og folk er på vej hjem.
Jo tak. Alle folk, om man må sige.
Nu filmer jeg det. Filmer ham spillemanden.
Ja.
Spiller på sin havegrill.
Dejlig solskin. Selvom vi sidder med jakker på. Fordi det blæser.
Jeg har ikke jakker på.
Nej, du har taget den af.
Look, the water is floating up.
Floating up there.
Don't do a movie, Dad. I'm okay.
Movie star. Tremonti. Tremonti, yeah.
My friend.
Movie star.
My friend. Your friend. Don't do a movie. You're not my friend anymore.
Nice.
Making a movie star.
So,
Nice picture.
I am filming.
Are you filming?
We are on the way to Madrid from Barcelona. Look at the beautiful landscape.
It's ugly.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
And look at the beautiful driver. It's Clément.
He's ugly. He's ugly.
He's not ugly. He's drinking coffee. Look at the beautiful passenger.
Yes. See.
El tro el sol.
See.
Look at me. I'm also beautiful.
Yes, we are the beautiful musketeers.
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes in the car, yes.
We are in the suburbs, industrial suburbs of Madrid. See, yeah. Clement took over the wheel again after a short nap. He's not happy. He's angry. But we're listening to beautiful music.
I sneak up behind Troels and Clement.
Hey! Don't do a movie! Let Anaconda go it.
You're no longer my friend.
You're an anaconda.
You look so relaxed.
Let's go.
I would love to have that balcony up there.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! So nice.
Is it just a small one?
No, the one on the roof.
Oh.
Oh, for satan, the umbrella.
That's good.
Okay.
Clemente, vamos a comprar.
Vamos a...
Sí.
Det er godt, du hygger dig, Thijs.
Hvor er
Albanio.
Voy a being un director del películas.
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 Películas. Películas.
Sí. Muy buen.
Hvad du laver det der?
I'm catching some feeling of the road trip. I will direct a small movie of our trip.
You're the sixth Dogma brother,
The sixth or the sixth?
and maybe the sixth.
Yes, documenting our stay at the Kina Maria's place.
I think I
Hi
have to.
Kina Maria, thank you so much.
Det ville være så hyggeligt.
I think I have to
We
take
slept
on
here
a separate outfit and do a film.
Yes, actually it looks
The
like
girls
we killed a
saved
zebra
us.
and put it
You should like go in the mountains and yeah. Zebra.
Yeah, you'll be famous.
So this is where we slept tonight.
It's Thijs. You forgot your...
It's not mine. Nope. Mine is green.
Den er ikke din?
Nej.
Okay, så er vi sammen.
Bye.
The angel wanted to throw us something, which was not ours. You are filming? Yes.
Yourself?
We are at
In church?
Tibidabo, where you can see all of Barcelona.
Can you see La Rambla? Which street is that?
So now we're in Toulouse at Clem's place. A little dark.
In the country is
The camera is back.
Estados Unidos.
Okay.
No.
Stopped in
Were you there?
Benjamin and
Andorra to buy coffee, snacks.
Yeah, I guess like for Benjamin it's quite a big thing.
Cheese.
Are you making a food movie?
I am telling what we bought in Andorra.
Exactly.
Do you know endive? Thais. Endive, it's this thing that they eat a lot in France. It's
Is this?
really delicious. It's
Is
like,
this
I
endive?
think it's called winter salad. In Danish. Winter salad.
We are going to have endive. And what else?
I love it. These are some vegetables, French vegetables, and the orange ones are called carrots. And the green one, they have this in France because here they can grow a lot of plants that we can eat as well, not only grass. And it's called broccoli.
Ah. In Denmark we only have grass.
For the cows. And the pigs, therefore we have to, or you have to. Therefore Danes only eat bacon.
Why?
Because there's only grass for the
And what
pigs
is
to eat.
do we have here?
This is the Indian French people, quinoa.
Indian French people. There's a lot of Indians here, Clem.
You cannot imagine how many are there. There are so much.
Oh,
There are maybe 2 or 3
2 or 3 Indians
in this street.
in this street.
In the street, yeah.
Oh,
Just in the street.
that's very exciting. Le Toulouse. What do you call this, Clem?
Le cascade.
It is the Pont des Catalans.
Le Pont des Catalans.
It's Espace Le Bazac.
Espace de Passac.
This is just a waterfall from
From
the
the-
abattoir, maybe.
Don't have a name?
No, maybe, but I'm not so
Just say something in French.
Yeah,
in Spanish.
in French. And I will believe that.
Espace Le Bazac.
No,
know.
tell me what is waterfall is in Toulouse? No, in French.
Ah, chute de cascade.
Chute des
Yeah.
Cascades de Toulouse. Huh?
No, cascade.
Kiss Cascade de Toulouse.
Yeah.
Le Cascade de Toulouse. Huh? Vive la Toulouse.
Valbank.
Enchanté. Je m'appelle Thaïs. Qu'est-ce qu'il fout lui?
Mais
Le postman.
Hey, postman, t'es perdu. Pulseman.
Pulseman.
postman.
Postman Per, Postman Per, Postman Per med sin lille kattemi. Han fører rundt med pakker.
Syng.
Jeg kan ikke huske.
Okay. Do you have this in France?
Haps, haps, haps. Hvor der fire snaps.
Nu ska vi
Nu skal vi snaps.
Clem.
Haps,
Do you have
haps,
Postman
haps.
Pat?
Postman Pat?
Yeah.
It's a song.
It's a
Postman Pat,
television show for
Postman
children.
Pat, med sin
svarte og hvite katt, alltid tidlig ute på sin postmannsrute. Han har med seg posten dit du er. Alle kjenner lyden hans, små og store smiler når han vinker til dem. Noen lyder kjenner du godt, sånn som bank. Fuck. Så har han posten der, så har han posten der. Ja, et eller annet.
Oh! Lots of white cars here.
That's the Norwegian version.
Lots of white car here.
Yeah.
Very interesting place.
They are.
But you don't have Postman Pat in the entrance?
I think.
I don't think so. Hello, pig. Are you from Thailand? Oh, it's bald. It's fat and bald. Are you a clever pig?
Oh, there's some blood. Some blood.
I think also they have kind of Thailand eyes.
Of what? Okay.
Trofett, trofinett.
Come back to fit them later.
We